Chess is a game for two, lawed by strict rules. 64 squares, 32 black and white pieces with hierarchical powers. Played over a long time period and has existed over many centuries. Chess in film is represented through two main layers: the players of the game and the capabilities of the game, its potential. In the first layer, the player provides space for understanding what kind of person she or he is and how it has impacted one. The second layer, the game shows how strategy, memory, pattern recognition, and logic is needed to crack its complex deepness. 4 recent blockbuster films will now be used to illustrate the two layers of representation of chess in film. The first film, The Dark Horse, directed by James Robertson, uses the first layer to illustrate chess. The main character, Genesis, being a strange bipolar person, is exposed to chess, and through his eyes we understand who he is. The film uses Genesis' love for chess to show how he copes with his complex personality as he teaches kids how to play. The game connects different degrees of fear, love, and anger to show how chess impacts him positively. The second film, Queen of Katwe, directed by Mira Nile, also uses the first layer of representation. In fact, the main character, Fiona, learns how to play chess, and through chess she becomes more aware of the powers of her mind. Further, the movie shows how her economic and social position improves as her knowledge of chess broadens. The audience once again becomes aware of the player of the game. The third film, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, directed by Chris Columbus, shows the second representation of chess in film: the capabilities of chess. In the scene where Harry, Ron, and Hermione have to play a chess game together, the audience realizes the strategy and pattern recognition that is needed in the game. Chess is represented as a game that challenges, sets up a task, a puzzle that needs to be solved to move forward. Only when Ron, Hermione, and Harry win the game, they pass the test. Chess and its capabilities are clearly defined. The last example of chess representation in film is within the movie Sherlock Holmes: Game of Shadows, directed by Guy Ritchie. In this movie, chess is represented using once again its capabilities. One of the last scenes in the movie shows how Sherlock and Moriarty use memory, logic, and calculation to beat each other. They play blitz chess, a chess game which only lasts 10 minutes, to combat each other's egos. However, what all 4 films are missing is the true essence of chess, which leads us back to the first description of chess that was used in the beginning. A 64 square board with strict rules cannot truly be represented by 2 main layers. Additionally, chess in film is used as an instrument to represent something else, a subject not related. The 4 examples show how players or chess's capabilities are the only main misrepresentations of what the perfect game of chess is in media. 2 chess players, equal chances of winning, and the harmony of the pieces is what gives the game its royal representation. Chess doesn't simply accelerate a function the way it does in these examples. With this in mind, chess in film uses a transmission model of communication, the way James Carey would describe it, because it is aimed to communicate a simple message, consequently misrepresenting the beauty of the game.